What happens if I miss the homestead exemption deadline? Have you ever wondered what happens if you miss the deadline to apply for a homestead exemption? It's a common question, and the answer can save you money or cause some surprises on your property tax bill. The main deadline to apply for a homestead exemption is May 1st of the year you want the exemption to start. If you file before this date, your exemption will lower your property taxes for that year. This exemption can reduce your taxable value by a certain amount, which varies by state and local rules. For example, in Texas, the standard homestead exemption can be up to $50,000 off the appraised value of your home. If you miss this deadline, don't worry right away. You can still file a late application in most cases. Usually, you have up to 2 years after the taxes become delinquent to apply. In many counties, taxes are considered delinquent on February 1st of the year after the tax year. So, for the 2020 tax year, you could file a late application up until February 1st, 2026. Filing within this late window means your exemption can be applied retroactively. That means you could get a refund or credit for overpaid taxes for that year. But, if you already paid your taxes without the exemption, you won't get a refund for the amount you paid. Your taxes for that year will stay higher if you missed the deadline and did not file late. If you do not file within the 2-year window, you lose the chance to claim the exemption for that year. You won't get any refund or credit, and your taxes will stay at the full, non-exempt amount. It's also good to know that if you qualify for other exemptions, like those for seniors or disabled homeowners, you can apply for them anytime after you qualify. If you file within 1 year of turning 65 or becoming disabled, the exemption can be applied back to that date. Recently, laws have changed so that homestead exemptions need to be verified at least once every 5 years. If you ignore verification notices from your local appraisal district, your exemption might be removed and your taxes could go up. In short, missing the deadline doesn't mean you lose everything. You can still file late and possibly get a refund for overpaid taxes if you act within the allowed time. But if you miss that window, the exemption for that year is gone. Staying on top of deadlines and responding to verification notices helps keep your property tax savings intact.